Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So, have you ever heard of sources sought? Maybe, maybe not. Well, this is a really great way to win a government cleaning contract. Could be one of your first ones. So stick around if you want to know exactly what you need to do to win a sources sought or to actually apply the information that could eventually lead to winning a contract with the sources sought. Ready? Okay. So what is the sources sought and why should you be concerned? Well, one of the things is sources sought is really great because the contracting officer has not decided yet that they want it to be a bid yet, a bid solicitation. So where sources sought is basically used for marketing. Why should you care? Well, one of the reasons is one of the common mistakes a lot of contractors make, as you can see, is ignoring sources sought. Due to the lack of dollar value, they figure, it doesn't really matter. But this is a great time for your company to really stand out because a lot of times when you apply for sources sought, it ends up being a bid solicitation. And guess what? There are times that you may be selected because of the information that you gave this particular contracting officer. So let's go ahead and share my screen and pop over to see an actual sources sought. Boom. All right. So we're at sam.gov and we're going to simply go to contracting office opportunities and we're going to go to janitorial services. And then we are going to then look and see what we have as far as for sources sought. So we're going to scroll down where we're looking for janitorial services, and we're going to go under notice type. And we're going to put in here sources sought or apps pops up. So we click on it here, and these are opportunities for sources sought. So let's say that we're interested in this COVID cleaning in Santa Fe. So we're going to click on there, and then we're going to see all the information, including contract opportunity type, sources sought. This particular one is due by, or not, it's going to be inactive as of April 23rd. That's when they're no longer looking for sources sought. This is for 561720, which is what? Janitorial. Place of performance is in Santa Fe National Cemetery in New Mexico. Now, this talks about what this is for. It's for market research. They are looking and giving you all the information here, the description, the statement of work. It talks about approximate square footage. And what they're doing is they're gathering data to see if someone knows what they're doing, to give them information on could they handle this particular sources sought, or even if we're going to put it out for bid, we're kind of fitting it on. So, trying on for size. So that's what the contracting officers are actually looking for. This is not an RFP, request for proposal. Neither is it an RFQ, which is a request for quote. It's actually a request for information. And this is one of the things a lot of contractors make a mistake. They totally ignore it. I've known many, many people that have answered it and they've utilized either their introduction letter, which I talk highly about, having it ready. This is where you can send it out, customize it, put some information in here because of the statement of work, send out your introduction letter, or you can send out your sources sought capability statement. What? You mean there's a sources capability statement? Absolutely. And you should have one. And if you'd like to know more about sources sought, then I'd love to see you at my free masterclass where I go over all of this and more, my government masterclass. And I have you for about 40-45 minutes where I go over all these little hacks that you can do and tips to actually win either your first government contract or one of many. So I'd love to see you. Click the link in the description. We only have a small amount of space, so space is limited. So make sure you act promptly today. Look forward to seeing you. And until the next video, take care and be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.